Hello, let's apply this unique approach in solving this simultaneous linear equation. And for you to apply this unique approach in solving simultaneous linear equation, there must be what? Two unknown variables, okay? And the unknown variables that we have here is what? We have x and y. Okay, now for us to solve this, we will generate the same, we will generate a fraction. And in that fraction that will be generated, then we have the same denominator. Their denominators will be the same. So what I will do now, I will use the coefficient of x in equation 1 to multiply the coefficient of y in equation 2, which is 3 times minus 2. It will give us what? Minus 6. So we will now have minus 6 here. We will equally have minus 6 here. Note that this minus is constant and this minus here is what? Is constant as well. So having done that, the next thing that I will do now will be I will use the coefficient of x in equation 1 to multiply the coefficient of what? Y in equation 2, which is 1 times 4. And 1 times 4 will give us what? Will give us 4. So this place now we have 4 as well, which is we now have minus 6 minus 4 will give us what? Minus 10. So this place now we will have minus 10 as well. Okay, so the next thing that we will do now is what? I will now generate the numerator. Now the numerator of x now will be, I will now replace the coefficient of x by coefficient of x in equation 1 is 3. I will replace it by what? 0. So what we have here now is 0. I will replace this one by what? By minus 5. Okay, so I will now do 0 times what? 2. It will give us what? 0. Minus 5 times 4 will give us what? Minus 20. Now minus times minus will give us what? Plus. So what we have here now is what? 20. Now 20 divide plus 20 divided by minus 10 will give us what? It will give us minus 2. We now move to y. So in y, what we are going to do now is very simple. The coefficient of y in equation 1 is what? Is 4. So we are going to replace it by 0. The coefficient of y in equation 2 is what? Minus 2. We are going to replace it by what? By minus 5. So I will now do 3 times minus 5. It will give us what? Minus 15. Now, minus 15 minus, note that this minus is always constant. Minus 1 times 0 will give us what? Will give us 0. So we now have minus 15 minus 0. It will give us minus 15. So minus 15 divided by minus 10, it will give us, okay, what we are going to do now, we will reduce it to the lowest term. 5 will go, 5 divide this, it will give us 3. 5 divide this, it will give us what? It will give us 2. So the answers, x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 3 over 2. And note that 3 over 2 is something as 1.5 or 1.5. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.